Whoa, would you look at that? What is that?
This is the belt, the championship belt for our 5th annual chili dog eating competition on the 4th of July with legendary Automotive, all taking place at City Tavern.
City Tavern. That's where you want to be the 4th of July, and raising money for
American Legion Post 38 right here in Fort Myers.
And last year was pretty amazing. How much money was raised last year?
Yeah, we set the bar pretty high, over $32,000 last year.
$32,000. And so each year we've gone higher and higher.
Yeah, last year we doubled the previous year, and hopefully we can do the same every year.
Man, so we really need support from our community.
Yeah, absolutely. Anybody can go to mycitytavern.com/hot dogs and then pledge to your favorite contestant or donate straight away on behalf of your favorite contestant, however you want to do it. We got some amazing people in it this year.
That's really awesome. And then, of course, Legendary will be giving a car away with the American Legion. They were able to get this Charger. We had it repainted and done a whole bunch of work to it, and that'll be given to someone that services our veteran community. But super important is getting more support from our community and sponsorships of chili dogs and such. So go to the link, please donate. This makes a difference for veterans in our areas. This is a big deal.
Yeah, and everybody come out. The block party starts at 4 p.m. The contest is at 6 p.m. And then stick around and probably give the car away around 7:30, 8 o'clock when we announce the 50-50 winner as well.
Awesome, City Tavern, baby. That's where the action's at. July 4th.
Downtown Fort Myers is doing fireworks by the Calusa Sound Amphitheater this year, right over the river.
So all the excitement will be downtown, as it is every year. It'll be a great event. City Tavern's gonna have plenty of beverages to keep you hydrated.
Of course.
And plenty of chili dogs. And what's the weather report for the 4th of July?
Definitely chilly.
Definitely chilly.